With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, in the figure shown, the acceleration of A is given here. If the A is sliding on B, then acceleration of B is. So let's say the acceleration of B is in x direction. It will be in x direction. Let's say it is A0, right? So acceleration of A is given. It is 15 I cap plus 15 j cap. So since they are in contact, and if I talk about the common normal, that is this is the common normal. So they will have the same acceleration component along the common normal. So I will write down the component of acceleration along the normal will be same. So if you see here, they too will have the same acceleration component along the normal. So if you see this, this direction is the normal direction. So if you see here, this angle you can get, if you see this is 37, then this angle will be 53. So this angle here is 53. Let me write down the angle, the velocity of this. It is 15 in this and 15 in this. So again you will break it into component. So if you see here, this if I draw a vertical line, right, and this is the normal. So if you see this is 37, then this will be 90 minus 37, then this will be 37 again, right? So this angle is 37 and this is 90 minus 37. So what we said here, the acceleration along the common normal should be same. So the wedge acceleration along the common normal, it is A0 cos 53 simply. And the acceleration of the block along the common normal, it is 15 cos, if you see here this angle, it is 90 minus 37, so we will write down 53, and minus, if you see this is cos 37 in this direction, so we'll put a negative sign. So now just put the value, right? If you see A0 cos 53, it is 3 by 5, 15, 53, 3 by 5, 37, it is 4 by 5. I will write down 3A0 is 45 minus 60, it is minus 15. So A0 is minus 5. So if you see minus 5, it is minus 5 I cap, right? So we'll write down the acceleration of B is, if you see, we took the positive direction as the A0, so it is with negative sign, so we'll write down minus 5 I cap meter per second square, and this is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.